Meet the white-headed marmoset. With its striking black fur and bright white face, these tiny monkeys leap through Brazil's forests, feeding on fruits, insects, and tree sap. Next, the elusive Goeldi's monkey. With its dark coat and secretive nature, it's a rare sight in the Amazon. Goeldi's marmosets often blend into the rainforest, foraging low among the trees. Finally, the common marmoset, also known as the white-tufted marmoset. Its distinctive ear tufts and playful energy make it a true favorite of the rainforest. These monkeys are small, but full of personality. From tamarins to marmosets, the journey into the monkey world continues. Stay tuned for more incredible primates in the next video.